Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are doing a power hour after dark, and I hope that this gives you some extreme cleaning motivation and that you can find this somewhat relaxing. We just put the kids down to sleep for the night, and I'm trying to make cleanup a lot more enjoyable and relaxing for me since it's now my me time. And I found a way to do that, and that is by listening to audiobooks on Audible. Audible is great for enhancing summer activities, like for example, we're going on vacation. They have kids books you can listen to in the car, on the beach, while you're walking them in a stroller, exercising, or even just sitting outside with your coffee during nap time. You can start your 30-day free trial, and your first audiobook is free if you go to audible.com/Beastons. And that's audible.com/Beastons, or you can also text the word Beastons to 500-500, that's 500-500, and I will also have everything linked below in the description box. The last book that you guys really liked that I recommended was Present Over Perfect, and I actually love this book even more, and that is called Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. This book really just speaks to my soul, especially if you're a mother. Do yourself a favor and listen to this book, and you will thank me, I promise. As I write out my list, I am listening to Girl Wash Your Face and just writing down some things that I want to complete during my power hour. And yes, I should probably clean the cover of my phone in this power hour as well. It looks really greasy, but I'm going to set my timer for exactly 1 hour, and I'm not going over. First, I'm just starting off with doing the dishes.
Come my way this season.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I have no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
am just using some of my lemon essential oil and putting it down the drain to freshen that up. And next I'm just going to dry the dishes and put them away.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
I am using my favorite spray, and that is the Method All-Purpose Sea Salt and Lime. It is the best scent in the entire world.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Now we are moving into the living room, and first I'm just cleaning up everything and putting things back into their place. And next I'm just going to wipe everything down with that same spray.
Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me so alive.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum everything.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me so
Who else thinks that couch lines are life?
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my
Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use some of my Young Living lavender essential oil, and this just relaxes me and gets me ready for bed.
all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts and run free into the wild. Into the
Power hours are seriously the way to go. Setting a timer really helps keep you on track, not get sidetracked, and it's seriously just a nice, quick way to clean. You'll wake up feeling so good that your house is clean, and I'm so thankful for my friend Kimberly from Style Mom XO for creating them. I don't know what I'd do without them.
What are you doing?
Oh, honey. Thanks for folding.
Of course. Watch everything.
Nice undies.
standing on the edge of